What the hell, dude? What the? Is that Joker? Why is he in my back here? What the hell is he doing? Dude, he's in my house. Batman, where are you? Where are you, Batman?
Ah! Oh!
You okay? Sorry, Joker.
Oh!
I'm sorry, Joker.
Batman.
Is it okay? Is it okay?
Can you look at it?
Yeah.
No, set it down, here.
God damn it! If he came in my house, I'm gonna kill him. Dude, are you okay?
You'll never find me.
You fucking serious, Joker?
Dude, Batman! Wait, are you Joker? Joker? There's a hole! Dude, I think you actually hit him.
Oh.
Joker?
Oh.
His pulse.
Get the fuck out of my house.
His pulse is weak, dude. He's gonna die.
That was
You shot him straight in the brain.
That was a fake gun.
Look at the hole! How can he run like that? There's a hole through his skull.
Batman, please. Batman.
We have to save him.
Hold on, Joker. You'll be okay.
Oh, fuck. Oh, Batman.
Dude, Joker.
Batman.
The doctors will be here soon, I swear.
Oh, Batman.
I'm not trained for this.
I didn't know that.
You shot me right now.
I didn't know it was a real gun. I didn't fucking know.
It's not looking good, Joker.
Why'd you come here, dude?
It fucking shot me right
Why'd you
there.
come here? Joker.
Joker! We're losing him! He
Joker.
lost consciousness!
Joker.
What are you gonna do? Where are the doctors?
Dude.
Go get someone! Quick, we're losing him! Hold
I have the
on!
bat signal.
No!
Joker.
He's gone. Come on, like, respirate him or something.
I don't know what to do. You're not dead. What are you doing? Joker. You can't get up, Joker.
I'm fine. I'm fucking fine.
Joker.
Oh yeah, that's rich. You're not fine. You can't kick him?
Dude.
Batman.
I hate him.
Okay.
Oh.
Dude, you just strike him? Oh, great.
Stop. Stop. Oh, fuck.
What do I
I'm
do?
gonna fucking kill him.
Batman.
No, you're not.
How is this guy not down for the fucking
He is.
count?
I just fucking killed him. He's dead.
Is he? Oh, yeah. All right.
Well, I guess I gotta move his body now. God, get the fuck out. Get out. No, you're not coming in. You're not coming back in. No. No. I'm not letting you in. You look so fucking stupid, Joker.
He's so sad, though.
Are you sorry? Are you sorry? Are you gonna apologize? No, I'll let you in if you say you're sorry. Say you're sorry.
Sorry.
For what?
For going into your house.
And? What are you sorry for? 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 Okay. Thanks. No! Shit, and you...
Fuck you, Batman.
You think it's gonna happen, bitch?
Joker,
How are you just...
he's the fucking Batman. What do you think is gonna happen?
I'm using a pellet. This guy's so fucking weak. He almost died to this shit. Are you crying, Joker?
Stop fucking killing me over and over again.
You're fucking, it's hilarious.
I already said I was dead after.
No, what you fucking think, you idiot? You fucking retard. What are you doing? What are you doing? Joker. He's running like away. Dude, what are you doing? Joker, what are you doing?
Well, that's that.
Oh, let's go inside. Hey, Joker, we're closing the door.
Don't fucking go to him, dude.
Hear him? Oh, fuck, he's coming. Joker, we're not doing this again. You're not coming back in my house.
Yeah, but look how sorry he is.
Yeah. Okay, what are you sorry for?
Trying to shoot you.
Why? Why'd you try to shoot me?
I was being selfish.
Fine. You can come back in, but you have to leave. Go. Go, now go! The fucking bat instructions! This is a real thing. If I shoot you, you're dead. Leave my house. Leave. Get out of here. Get out. Why are you on my bed? My fucking bed. It's so funny. What is so funny? Get out of my house.
Dude, this is not funny.
Get out of my house.
That's not bad, please.
Go. Go. Ow! Ow! I'll be back.
Dude, you don't.
He has spikes on his shoe.
Spikes? What the?
Let's just go. Come on.
Fucking the audacity of this guy. I'm just gonna come crawling back.
No, I'm not letting him do this. He's not sorry for anything. He is sorry, but he's not sorry for anything. What do you think is gonna happen when you go to Batman's house? What are you doing? Joker! Dude, your pillows! Joker, stop! Joker. Just go get him, Alfred. Just go fucking get him, Alfred. Joker. I can't let you in the cave. Joker! Alfred, you're too frail, dude. You can't take him.
I'm fired up, dude.
Okay, fine.
I'm so tired of Joker.
Fine, I'll fucking leave.
Yeah,
Yeah, just fucking go, dude. I see your Joker cycle over there. Just get the fucking.
Batman,
What?
I'm never coming here again.
Fine. What do you think I care for? You came here to fucking die and get shot.
Fuck you.
Jesus Christ, this guy's so fucking dumb. Holy shit.